Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here in the Water Street studio in New York City, and look who I have. It's Mickey Cologne.
Hi,
And he
guys.
said there's a very special accent on his name, so you say it. It sounds so much better when you
So
do.
it's Mickey Colon.
Cologne. Oh, I love it. And he is a superstar, a balayage superstar. He's been doing this beautiful head of hair, which is so long, but you have a unique teasing style or backcombing style. So tell us about it.
All right, so teasing is very important to me because that could break down the hair or damage the hair. So for me, it's very important that the teasing doesn't become something that you force or try to gain muscles out of it, you know? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start, if you ever do updos, erase that out of your memory. When you do updos, you really wanna push that tease in there and you really wanna get it stuck and build that volume on the root. With the teasing that we do here, we're just trying to bring the hair upwards in a very slow motion. So we're gonna start down here, and I'm gonna put my comb all the way in the bottom here, and I'm gonna start bringing it up. And if I get any type of tension, I'm actually gonna stop, go on top of it, and then start bringing it up slowly, all the way to the top. So if you see, I'm barely moving my hand, but I'm just kind of slowly bringing it up. That way, when you comb it out, it doesn't really break through the hair. Remember, we're trying to fix the hair. We're trying to make the hair healthy. We're trying to make sure that she leaves with beautiful hair, and we don't want that breakage in there. So the nice and soft teasing, it will always come out nice and soft as well, and you get that beautiful, beautiful hair.
And watching him do it, it's almost like he skips along the section. So we get questions all the time about people saying, how do you comb this out when it's wet? What are your tips to combing out teased highlights?
So actually what I have is I have a product that actually is kind of like a detangler, and it is by Truss Professional, and it's a deluxe prime. And what we do is we spray it on the hair, and it kind of makes it super soft. So we just start combing it. The best tip that I can give you is when you comb hair out, instead of using your brush horizontal, do it vertical. So brush vertically, so you start getting those knots out, anything out of there.
Any tip on the brush one should use?
Yes, something that has to do with wet hair. So any brush that is meant to brush with wet hair. I get a lot of clients that even they use a wet brush to use it on dry hair. And then I'm like, it says there, wet brush. So make sure you use something with wet hair, a brush that's meant to do wet hair, and something that's for dry hair is meant for dry hair.
Well, hey, guilty as charged. You know what? Before I let you go, because she's got very long hair and we're going to be here for a long time, check out what he's wearing here. Tell us all about this.
So this is our new aprons from Truss. I actually just became the Truss International Ambassador. So we are bedazzled, as you can see right here. We're very fancy. Our Truss Professional Ambassadors, International Ambassadors, this is our brand. So we are bedazzled. And then from there on, they change the different situations.
Oh, you're so great. And how do we follow you? You have a ton of followers already, but how do we follow you?
Thank you. So my name is Mickey, like the mouse, right? Mickey, Colon, COLON, JR, Junior.
Love it, love you. I'm going to go back with my Kira app and get some fancy bedazzled, sparkly. Thank you so much. We're having so much fun today, and I love it that you're joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
See you guys later.